Welcome, my friends. Happy 4th of July. We have yet another surprise. We are here at my favorite Disney resort out of all of Walt Disney World, Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are staying on the Kidani side. Jumbo House is not open just yet. I have a studio. Just really blessed to be here. Let me show you the room. I have been asked a few times if you can still use your magic bands to go into your hotel room, and the answer is yes. And you can also use your My Disney Experience app on your phone. Right when you enter the room, if you turn to your right, you do have your mini kitchen with everything you need: a microwave, toaster, coffee maker. You have your sink, soap, sponge. And if we go up here, you have all your plastic ware, everything you need. And look at the refrigerator. I like this because not only you have a refrigerator, we do have wine and some watermelon, but up here you have a freezer. So they are separated. I like that a lot. Trash. And you can have a joining room to this room, and to your left you have your bathroom, your washroom. I really love how it looks and how everything is separated, and you have a lot of privacy, such as, yeah, that's really nice to have. I like that a lot. There's me. Hey guys. And then over here, you have your bathtub, your shower. I love the theming. Look at this. All kinds of animals that you would see in the Savanna outside. And my favorite part, and yes, you have your soap dispensers, your conditioner, your shampoo, and it has been cleaned, as we see right here. I like it a lot. We are now coming up on the bedroom, but first, you have a mini closet, extra pillow, blanket, you have an iron board, your safe. But wait, there's more. You have another closet. We have all of our luggage in there right now. This is where you can find your hangers. Lots of storage here. And here is the bedroom. I love it. Nice queen size bed. The theming is just amazing here. You have your phone, your remote, which has been cleaned and disinfected. You have a pull-out bed. Coffee table. I love when hotel rooms has fans because I cannot sleep without a fan. Nice 40-inch TV. We have USBs. Some more storage. Nice dining area. More notes about the enhanced cleaning that has happened in this room. But the best part is, of course, the Savanna view. Let me show you. Whoa, look at the ostriches. They're just hanging out eating. Look at the animals right outside our balcony. They're so close. Holy moly, that is awesome. And before I go any further, I just want to say a huge thank you to Carmelo, Sandra, Joe, and Mia. You and your family are so kind to give myself and Bianca this room on the 4th of July. Beyond blessed. You guys, sometimes I don't think I deserve the things you guys give me, and just very grateful. It is pouring outside right now, but we do have a giraffe really close to us. I really hope people don't throw trash and food to the animals. It is pouring right now. Lots of rain and a lot of lightning. Ooh. Anyway, Let me show you the lobby area. We have your hand sanitizer ready to go. COVID-19 warning. You could be exposed to COVID-19 by staying here. Health and safety reminders, physical distancing, face coverings. Valet parking is right here, $33 a day, but valet is not being offered at the time. I love the theming of this resort. It is my favorite Disney World resort on property. And of course, if you have been following along, Disney wants you to check in online or on your My Disney Experience app. That way you don't have to come to the front desk. You can go right to your room, but the front desk is still open. They do have plexiglass to protect yourself and the cast members. Now this is Kidani Village. It is the smaller out of the two. Jumbo House is next door, but it is not open just yet. More hand sanitizer. Here is the gift shop. One way in, one way out. This is actually the first time I am staying here at Kidani Village. There's Bianca and my stuff. I'm currently trying to upload a video. More physical distancing on the tables. You just gotta love the overall theming at this resort. For your little ones, they are showing the Disney Channel, some cartoons. Savanna is located right downstairs. There's a lounge down there also. Maybe checking that out later. Right down here. And then here's a look at the beautiful Savanna. There are a lot of animals out right now. Lots of places for you to sit back and relax. And if we keep going this way, you can find the Walt Disney World Transportation, the library, community room, and the arcade, laundry rooms, restrooms. All right, let's go check out the gift shop. Open from 8 a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Lots of Disney Vacation Club merchandise. Sunglasses, keychains, magnets. They have all of the Disney soap, shampoo, and conditioner that you will ever need. Bathing suits, shoes, flip-flops, those delicious Disney snacks that we all love. Coffee mugs. Looks like this one is themed to Kidani Village. We have some Disney pin trading starter sets. Some Disney pins. And if you want to refill your reusable mug or need coffee or a fountain drink, a cast member has to get your drink for you. You cannot go to the fountain for the time being. A little bit of everything that you may need. Milk, bacon, butter, Lunchables, juice, water, soda, Powerade, tea, beer, wine, margaritas, all kinds of stuff. They even sell Captain Morgan Long Island iced tea. Ice cream. I am not seeing any Mickey premium bars. Frozen pizza. Chips, bread, donuts, snacks, plates. Everything you may need for emergencies. Sunscreen, Band-Aids. I mean, everything. All right, I am now making my way down the stairs to do a little bit more exploring. Just can't believe there's a Savanna view right here. This resort is beautiful. At the bottom of the stairs, you do have Savanna, which is a really good restaurant. I do enjoy the bread service. It's not open just quite yet, It is open for dinner. They have the dining reservation check-in with the QR code all set up. But the lounge is open. You do have to walk through Sanaa. Here we are. Wow. I like this a lot. Look at the bird. He wants in. He smells the food. Hey, buddy. I mean, everywhere you go here in the main lobby, you have such an amazing view of all the animals. Just out there chilling. When you also make your way downstairs, if you come over here, you can come outside and get an even better view of the savannah. Look at the zebras. Oh my goodness, look at the baby one. He's running. Oh, there he is, he's running. He's a fast one. Looks like they have a campfire set up, maybe, with some rocking chairs. That bird is still going to town on that window. He sees his reflection. This is one of the most funniest things I've seen all day. I mean, look at him.
To do the must-do at Disney's Animal Kingdom, you gotta get on over to Asia. Where perched on the horizon is a mountainous feast called Expedition Everest. A high-altitude, high-speed train adventure for those who want to take on the treacherous terrain of the Forbidden Mountain.
Another reason why I really like Animal Kingdom Lodge, when you park your vehicle, you're in a parking garage, so you're not leaving your car outside. Unfortunately, Kidani Village does not have zebra domes. That's over in Jumbo House. But Kidani Village has my favorite whiskey ever, Bane. So let's go have an old fashioned downstairs. Looks like you cannot sit at the bar. You have to order your drink and head back to your room. There she is, my favorite whiskey, Bane's. The reason why I love Bane so much, this is a special whiskey from South Africa. You can only find it at Animal Kingdom Lodge in Animal Kingdom Park. Good morning. It is the next day. Just woke up having my morning cup of coffee and looking at this view of the savannah. Here is my overall review of this hotel room. It's amazing. I love Animal Kingdom Lodge. It is my favorite Disney resort out of all of them. The bed, so comfortable. The pillow, so comfortable. Like I said in yesterday's video, I always sleep like a baby when I'm staying at a Disney resort. I really like how this room is. Yesterday when we were at Bay Lake Tower, I really like how the kitchen was separated from everything. But in this hotel room, the bathroom is huge. For a studio, it is massive. And then you have the Savannah view, you have a bigger TV. The theming in this hotel room really is just unbelievable, really awesome. And overall, I just felt like I had way more space in this hotel room. It was quiet. I still kind of heard my neighbors a little bit because this is a adjoining room, but it was not as bad as Bay Lake Tower. I love it. I cannot wait to stay here again. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, this resort tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?